Good morning, YouTube. It's Laura from TuxedoPlanners. How are you this morning? I wanted to come in here and do a quick unboxing of the Erin Condren seasonal box. Now, I know there's about 101 jillion of these unboxings for this box on uploaded to YouTube, but I thought I would throw in my 2 cents as well. I mean, why not? If I'm gonna unbox it, I might as well unbox it with you guys on camera. So let's get into it. First of all, this came in a box, so to speak, because I had ordered, I'll show you, I had ordered something else with this little seasonal box, and I didn't realize that they were going to ship it together. I guess I should have realized that, but I didn't. So the first thing I got, move this paper out of the way, is the planner charm with the letter L for my name. I thought that was really cute, and I really wanted one. So I went on and purchased this. And I'll just probably, I'm going to put this on my on-the-go folio, which I'll be doing a plan with me on my on-the-go. I'll be doing a flip through plus a plan with me on my on-the-go folio. So be on the lookout for that video. In fact, if you hit subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll know as soon as I upload that video. But I was looking for content. I was looking for information on the Erin Condren Petite planners, and there's really not a lot of plan with me's on those. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to do a plan with me. So stay tuned for that video coming up. But anyway, so I got the little L. And now I have seen, obviously, the unboxing of this before. So, but I wanted to show you my box, because it came in a box on box, my box, other than the fact that it's split right there, I don't know if you guys can see that, but my box is pristine, so I will flip it around and use it like I did in my, my first seasonal box that I got, which I just blanked on, my spring seasonal box. All right, so I'm going to take out the little freebies and surprise thing, and let's jump into this. And I'm just going to take all this out and lay my box aside. I'll flip that around later. Like this. Now, the last seasonal box that I got, I'm going to move this tissue paper off the thing. I have to be honest with you guys. I really wasn't that impressed with it. I guess I don't know what I was expecting. I had looked at videos of unboxings of like the winter box and the fall box last year. I had seen those videos, and I really liked the stuff out of them. So I kind of thought I was getting something like that. But you know what? Unless, I think there's stuff missing out of my box. In fact, I know there's stuff missing out of my box. Oh my God, I'm missing the paper clips. I'm missing the summer journal. I got the stickers. I got the Chase the Sun folder. I got this little wristlet here. I got that, this little box, I got this pen and the stickers, but I'm missing the journal, and I'm missing the paper clips. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. This is the first time I've ordered from them and have not gotten what I'm supposed to get. And I know it's hard to get these people on the phone, but I'm gonna have to figure it out somehow. Well, let's look at this. This is the little journal, which I'm going to slip in my purse, because I was in the car the other day, and here I am, a planner, and oh my gosh, I didn't have a pen on me, and I didn't have any note paper on me. I mean, what kind of planner am I if I don't have the basic essentials in my purse? Because I was sitting at the parking lot. I don't know. I was waiting on one of the children, of course, because I always do. Because I'm like mom Uber. I'm like Uber mom. and I didn't have anything to write on. So I will be putting this in my thing, and I do like this. And of course we have the sticker sheets. And we have this cute little tropical thing. I'll probably save this for when I do my cruising spread in September. I'll probably use this then, even though it's not really summer. And then I'm going to go on and switch out my Erin Condren into this one now. So I'm going to go on and switch it out to Chase the Sun, which I think is pretty for the summer. So I'll do that. I'm really bummed about not getting my stuff because you know what? I was really looking forward to that summer journal. I was like, dang, I could use that. And then of course we have the pen, which is cute. I'm not usually a ball pen kind of girl, but I'll take it. And the wristlets, and the little wristlet's nice. I do like it. I think it's well made. I have about I don't know how, a gajillion pouches, but I do like this. I think it's really well made, and it feels a better quality than what I've seen some of the plastic totes, these vinyl totes or whatever, out of them. So, wow, guys, I'm really upset about that. Like I said, this is the first time they've ever messed me up. All right, so that's really it. Like I said, this was short and sweet, and now I'm gonna have to go get Erin Condren on the phone and figure out where the heck the rest of my shit is. All right, guys, with that, I'm off, and I'm sorry. Bye. Okay, guys, it's me, Laura, back. I just want to tell you that I just contacted Erin Condren, and they responded very quickly. Of course, you know, they don't have a customer service number really that you can call and talk to a human, but that's okay. You kind of sort of talk to a human on the computer, I guess. But anyway, she was quick to respond. She apologized for the error, and she basically said that they would give me $17.50 credit on the 2 items, which was the Petite journal and the palm leaf paper clips, the shaped palm paper clips. So I guess that's something there. Like I said, I was kind of on the fence about this seasonal box, and after this, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to get the fall one or not. You know, I told myself I would do at least the 4 boxes. I would do, you know, the spring, the summer, the fall, and the winter boxes to try them out. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I won't. But I just wanted to let you know that they did make good on that. They at least gave me a credit to the store. So, I do have that for future purchase. And I will find a use for these little pouches. It is cute. And the pen is nice. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to come back on and let you know that they did make it right. So, with that, again, I'm off. Bye, guys.